Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy
Happy
birthday.
birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Tay.
Iloilo, nais ko lang batiin yung aking pinakamagandang nilalang na pinsan, si Roman Flores. Happy birthday, Deng, and sana lagi kang malusog and laging healthy ang buong family mo. Again, happy birthday from Team Antipolo. Ingat kayo lahat lagi dyan. Bye-bye!
Can I call you babe? Can you be my friend? Can you be my lover up until the very end? Let me show you love, I will not pretend. Stick by my side even when the world is giving in.
Happy birthday, Deng! Wish you good health and more blessings to you and your family. Enjoy your day. Love you. Ingat lagi.
Happy birthday, Tito Roman. Ingat palagi sa trabaho. Love you.
Happy 40th birthday, Deng.
Happy birthday.
Si Kuya nang uulit.
Happy birthday.
Ay, naku. Parang kailan lang, pinapaliguan kita ng elementary ka. Ayun, laki-laki mo na. I pray that God will always guide and protect you in reaching your goals and dreams for you and your family. And parati kang magpasalamat. Pasalamat sa mga blessings na tatanggap mo ngayon, sa mga taong nakapaligid sa'yo, sa pamilya mo, sa makulit mong kuya, Vani. Ulit. Ano pa ba? So far, you're doing good. And continue to do good. And continue to be a good person, a good father, a good husband, and continue to be a blessing to others. Yun lang. I wish you all the best for your birthday, for your 40th birthday, and for the coming years and birthdays to come. Love you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday! Happy
40th birthday!
Roman.
Okay, what's your wish for Tito Roman? Go ahead.
Tito Roman, I hope you grow taller.
More?
I hope your lifespan grows taller as well.
Mm-hmm. And then, Vinella, what's yours?
Nela.
Eat good, nutritious meals. Live a long life.
Live a long life. Okay. We wish you all the best and more blessings to come. Good
And
health.
success in your business.
Oh, success in your business.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Tito Roman. Happy birthday to you. See you soon.
See ya. Enjoy.
Need somebody to hear, somebody to know, somebody to have, somebody to hold.
Happy birthday, Tay. Thank you for being a hardworking tatay. Halong ka pero meron din kang magkadto. Wish ko lang magnami ng business kag keep up the good work lang, Tay. Grateful ka dito ba tatay like you. Love you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Tatay. I hope you're having a good day subong. Kag ang wish ko para sa imo is a very happy and relaxing life. Kag grateful gid ko nga ikaw naging tatay namon kay wala mo kami ginapabayaan. Tani safe ka permi sa imong work. Kat mo na. Kag tani di mo pagkalimtan na i-take care imo kag tani di mo pagkalimtan na i-take care imo permi na sa kag tani di mo pagkalimtan na i-take care imo sa permi. I love you so much, tatay. Kag happy birthday. Kahit hindi ko pa maiiyak, kaya dala nakasalalay ang future. Joke lang.
Can I call you babe? Can you be my friend? Can you be my lover up until the very end? Let me show you love, oh no pretend. Stick by my side even when the world is giving in.
Ready? Let's go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Ready? Let's go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday